Hey guys, today I'm in Moonee Ponds because the team at Moonee Valley Park are about to embark, that rhymes, on a brand new neighbourhood. They've invited me here to check out the new Feehan Row display gallery so I can have a look and see what these homes are going to be like firsthand. I said, that's all well and good, but is there going to be coffee? Luckily for me, they did one better and built a cafe. Pretty happy. This is not your typical display gallery. This is a fully fledged home. Hello, kitchen of my dreams. This is awesome. It's got a really good feel to it. I love this. I love that stone marble countertop. That's beautiful. Sexy bit of brass. I do like a good bit of brass. It's just got a really nice feel. I love the interiors, especially that teal. That pop of teal green is so gorgeous. It's like 2 ovens here, heaps of appliances, and, oh yeah, integrated fridge, which, guys, it's fully stocked. I'm gonna have to tap that later, I reckon. It feels good, it's open plan, you're looking out over to your living and your dining, but let's check out the master bedroom. This has got a really, really nice feel to it. And oh my God, does it come with the artwork? That's beautiful. Let's test this out. I could see myself sleeping in here on a Sunday, reading the paper. Better get out. Ooh, better make the bed too. Sorry guys. Walk-in robe time. Okay, so this is a little bit special, and this is really nice, that island detail, again with those stone marble countertops. I like that, very fancy. Plus, this is a really nice detail as well. I like that light timber. You've got heaps of storage, got a cute little mirror section. So, you know, get ready in the morning, get yourself sorted, make sure you're looking fierce to face the day. Yep, everything checks out. Plenty of storage. I love the soft grey of those cabinetry as well. Plays really well with the brass. Hello, sexy bathtub. You know I'm gonna do it, guys. Sorry about the shoes. Bathtub checks out. I feel like at this point I'm like a serious bathtub connoisseur. This one is really good. Although the only thing that's missing is somewhere to put my wine glass. But you know what? That's easily solved. But what I really like, look at that floor-mounted tap. That is super cool. I love that. Ugh, okay. Would you look at these epic showers? Oh my gosh, these are awesome. The double shower heads, again with the brass detail in here. And it's also a really nice soft minimal design with that beautiful white tile. I like this bathroom. I like it a lot. All right, let's go check out the living area. But first, should I get a drink? I should get a drink, shouldn't I? I love this dining area. I like the fact that it rolls from the kitchen. It feels really nice, and then leading you into this gorgeous living area. This feels really good. I love the light timber floors. Oh, you've got your fireplace, your TV. It's got a nice central hub. Before I start talking about these good looking interiors, first of all, I want to give you guys a debrief on this Moonee Valley Park project, because honestly, it's pretty inspiring stuff. Right now, we are at Moonee Valley Racing Club, and this is a huge amount of land in the middle of Melbourne. And to be honest, at the moment, it only really gets used some of the time and for certain events to do with the racing club. But they're wanting to transform all of that to create these new residences. They're going to turn 50% of this new space into botanical green spaces for the new residents to enjoy. Plus, there's going to be restaurants, cafes, retailers, there'll be sporting grounds, playgrounds, and the racetrack at your door. They're creating a fully fledged community, a new neighbourhood right here in Moonee Ponds. Feehan Row is the first residential release for the Moonee Valley Park project. It includes 67 homes and townhouses, all with a very premium design. The architect of this project is Rothy Lohman, and the interior design is by Mim Design. And I've got to say, the interiors, they are damn sexy. sexy. I really love the feeling of this space. Those natural stone marble countertops play perfectly with the brass, but as you know, we're home shopping here, guys, so if you don't like the brass, you can switch it out for black. Ground floor living with open plan kitchen, living and dining area, all with beautiful spaces that open up to the outdoors. The kitchen is awesome. It's a bit of a showstopper. It's got that gorgeous natural stone. I love that teal cabinetry. Plus, it's got all those awesome integrated European appliances. The metallic tapware is so sexy, and it has a really great functional layout. Okay, we've got to talk about the master suite. That is something pretty special. Not only is it a beautiful, massive bedroom area, but you've also got that walk-in robe, and you can choose to have that optional island bench, which we experienced, and you pull it out, you've got these beautiful flocked drawers where you can put all your pretty jewels and things. That was pretty special. It just had a really lovely feel to it, and it's really nice to be able to walk out of bed, go to your walk-in robe before going into your epic bathtub. Oh my God, that bathtub was so good. I loved the feeling of that bathroom. Those interiors, again, the interior design of this entire pad have just been nailed. It's got a nice minimal feel to it, but it's very luxurious, again with that brass detail throughout. The floor mounted tap for the bathtub, that was pretty damn sexy, I've got to admit. And basically, nothing I could really fault about the bathroom. I would be very happy calling it my own. Those awesome floor to ceiling doors and windows, they let the most beautiful amount of light in. It's just incredible. And I can only imagine opening those up, looking out over onto gardens, but then also being able to shut them away, pulling the curtains. You've got an incredible sense of privacy then, and oh my God, those curtains, so delicious. Moonee Ponds itself is in a really good spot. It's about 6K from the city, and it's just got a really beautiful feel to it. There's a lot of terrace homes, there's really nice gardens. It's a very family-friendly area, and it's kind of the perfect location for this new community. So if you guys want to do your very own home tour, you can. You can come and visit Wednesdays, Saturdays and Sundays, but hot tip, on the weekends, the cafe is open, and trust me, you want to go visit. It's called Little Hen, and it is so awesome in there. You can grab a coffee, you can grab a bite to eat, and then you can come in here and experience even more deliciousness. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make it official. Plus, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have got way more sexy interiors and homes coming your way. Is that a wrap? No. Maybe.